As a print service provider, we want to offer an unrivaled application range. The Colorado is right there with you. The low heat process allows you to print on almost any media type, from low-cost paper for short-term advertising to thick, high-quality vinyl for wall coverings. Canon UV Gel Ink is durable, scratch-resistant, and great for outdoor applications. Prints have been independently tested and evaluated to be superior for scratch resistance, light fastness, washability, and chemical resistance. Indoor applications of large format prints, like wall coverings, need prints to be odorless. UV gel technology has been developed to be odorless, so it can be used for high-value indoor applications. Even in health-sensitive environments, as our full GreenGuard Gold and AGBB and Type 2 environmental certificates prove. The Colorado offers the possibility to print on a wide range of flexible media, including some thin, soft signage materials, and you can also print double-sided.